Oh, look, I broke my s'more. Okay, I'll just eat it anyway.
He's going Mamma Mia.
Yeah.
Mamma Mia!
Mamma Mia!
So good! You gotta kiss it and do them.
It's not all the way in her mouth.
I'm not done with it. I just want to eat it all. Are you ready? I'm about to stuff it inside my mouth.